Click on the link below to get price. The Sony a6400 4K mirrorless camera is a remarkable piece of technology that caters to both photography enthusiasts and professionals. This camera's blend of compact size, excellent performance, and impressive image quality makes it a standout choice in the mirrorless category. Bundled with the versatile 16 to 50mm and 55 to 210mm lenses, the kit provides a comprehensive range for various shooting scenarios. First and foremost, the 24. 2MP APS-C sensor delivers stunning images with vibrant colors and fine detail. High ISO performance is commendable, allowing for low-light photography without excessive noise. Capturing dynamic scenes is effortless thanks to the camera's fast and accurate 425-point autofocus system, which is complemented by real-time Eye Autofocus. This feature is particularly beneficial for portrait photographers, ensuring that subjects' eyes remain sharp and in focus. The 4K video capabilities of the a6400 are equally impressive. With HDR support and advanced image processing, videos are rich in detail and color. The camera's ability to shoot at 120 frames per second in full HD enhances the cinematic quality of your recordings. The inclusion of a flip-up touchscreen makes vlogging and self-recording a breeze, giving users the flexibility to frame their shots perfectly. The 16 to 50mm lens is compact and versatile, ideal for everyday shooting, while the 55 to 210mm lens adds a powerful zoom capability that is perfect for wildlife and sports photography. Both lenses are lightweight, making the entire kit easy to carry during long shoots. The camera's build quality is solid, featuring a weather-sealed body that can withstand various conditions, although it's wise to be cautious with heavy rain. Battery life is reasonable, but investing in a spare is recommended for extended shooting sessions. In summary, the Sony a6400 4K mirrorless camera kit stands out for its exceptional image quality, advanced autofocus, and versatility. Whether you're a budding photographer or a seasoned pro, this kit offers the tools needed to capture stunning images and videos effortlessly. It's a worthy